There were 1,429 new cases of the coronavirus disease and 57 deaths across the country in the last 24 hours, the Union Home Minister said on Saturday, which marks a month since India was put under a nationwide lockdown. India's tally for the coronavirus disease stands at 24,506, including 18,668 active cases, 5,063 cured, discharged or migrated and 775 deaths according to the Health Ministry's dashboard on 8 a.m. today. The United States accounts for more than one-fourth of the global COVID-19 deaths and over one-third of the total number of people infected with the deadly virus, latest figures revealed the previous day. The coronavirus pandemic that started from Wuhan City in China in November 2019 has so far killed more than 1,95,000 people across the world and infected more than 27 lakh. As per reports, the United States, which has been the worst hit by coronavirus alone, accounts at highest numbers so far, wherein more than 9.2 lakh Americans have tested positive for COVID-19 and the fatalities count on Friday stood at 51,017. At least 268 houses were damaged by massive hailstones in Hiapui village in Mizoram's Saitwal district near Manipur border, an official said yesterday according to a media report. The official said that the incident occurred around 4 p.m. on Thursday when the village was hit by heavy rain accompanied by hailstorm. At least 189 dwelling houses have been completely damaged and 79 other partially damaged by hailstones, which were the size of eggs, he said. He said that one person sustained injuries and one cow and two poultries were killed in the incident. The National Disaster Response Force team of 12 Battalion, Doimok, Arunachal Pradesh today carried out sanitization program at different locations of Uripok, Ward number 4 and 6, including TOMTV office premises in Imphal West. The sanitization program by the battalion, which stationed at 2nd MR Imphal West, will continue in other parts of Imphal East and Imphal West. Members of Harikhago Mokong Development Committee have started feeding monkeys at Mahabali Temple in Imphal East. The members will continue to feed these monkeys till May 3rd, which have been left starving due to lack of food during the coronavirus lockdown, it said. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, after joining hands with other branches of Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) in the country, staff of anti-corruption branch Imphal, led by the head L. Hang Singh, distributed essential food items to migrant laborers, poor and needy, children and old-age home and rehabilitation centers in different parts of Manipur. Moirang constituency MLA P. Sarat Chandra distributed free rice under Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana. Every individual starting from age 6 received 5 kg of rice. The MLA also inspected the distribution work which started since today in various areas of the constituency. Over 5,500 people from Mizoram are currently stranded outside the state due to the ongoing nationwide lockdown imposed to contain the spread of COVID-19. Mizoram Additional Secretary in the Home Department Lal Dongliana, who headed a task group on migrant workers and stranded travelers, said that at least 5,546 people are stranded in 32 states and union territories due to lockdown. Of this, 3,194 were employees in private sectors, 2,103 were students, and 249 were patients undergoing treatment in various states.